What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin and some altcoins. So, with the look of things right here, things are not looking good. Bitcoin has broken below support because I've made it known to us this morning that Bitcoin has been finding support. I am above this support, this trend line right here, and with the look of things, it seems like this rising wedge pattern has been broken. So without wasting much of our time right here, what should we be expecting right now from Bitcoin? So with the look of things right here, we've broken below major support with volume. Now this breakout was very massive because you could see how we rallied so well today, only for us to get to this resistance and we couldn't break above the 89,700 resistance, which is kind of very scary. But I'm not actually worried because I've actually been ready to buy the Bitcoin dip. So I'm here. Yeah, I'm definitely here for the dips. Trust me, guys. So yeah, without wasting much of our time, what should we be expecting right now? So I'll be taking all of this away right now. We could see it clearly that 5 o'clock started 5 o'clock, and which means another 4 hours candle has been opened. So with the look of things right here, we have broken below this support, majorly 88,000. You could see us crashing lower with a lot of pressure. So maybe we'll have to find support around here, or we either find support around here first at $86,100, or we might have to rally much higher to retest this level at 88,400 before dumping all the way down to 86,000. And if we happen to break below $86,000, so I'm most likely going to be dumping all the way down, guys, all the way down. So that is one of the most scary parts, because if we have to keep on dumping, I'm so scared to say that we might either drop below this area of support right here. Maybe there's some form of support around here at 84,500 when I take this to the weekly time frame, just to see if there is any level of support around there. We could see that there have never been any major support around there, so I'll probably be taking this away from here for now, then over to the 4 hours time frame, just for us to be clear. If we happen to break below 86,000, if we happen to break below this support, we are most likely going to find support probably around this level right here. Yeah, we're most likely going to find support around this level right here at $84,000. So yeah, I will definitely be here to keep each and every one of us updated. I think that is that for my short Bitcoin analysis chart. For the other chart right here, which is the chart I consider long term, I made it known to that if we should crash below this support right here at 88,200, we're most likely going to be crashing all the way down to $80,000. That is if what happened on the short-term chart doesn't happen, which is us finding support at the $84,000 level. So with the look of things right here, gold is still dumping. Gold just started dumping. I made it known to us that we are either going to find two major move from gold, and you could see we ended up getting rejected from here, which is definitely going to send us all the way down to $4,283. So as you can see, this is actually what is playing out. Yeah, if you watch my Bitcoin video this morning, you will definitely know where that is coming from. For the S&P 500, it's actually trying to hold support at 6,800 level. So nothing really much is going on. Now in terms of, okay, why is the market going dumping, I really do not know, but let's check the news right now to know, okay, if there's anything we could probably pinpoint to be the reason why the market is crashing. So on Watcher Guru right here, we could see for 12 minutes ago, Bitcoin falls under $87,000. $140 million got liquidated. My market seller buys 10,645 Bitcoin. Okay, Visa launches stablecoin. Nothing too serious to why the market is actually down. And when we look at what are Bloomberg's page, we could see Fed Williams inflation is still too high. Ukraine, son of Rob Brenner in custody, La Sheriff's Department. So LA Sheriff's Department. So White House to host press call on Russia-Ukraine peace talk. Hopefully that goes well. Crypto stocks falls as Bitcoin hits 2 weeks low. So as you can see, there's nothing really much for me to pinpoint to the reason why, okay, this is why this chart is going down. It seems like the big equities, the big assets actually crashing. So AMC Entertainment shares touches record low. So everything is kind of low. So I think it's to be expected for Bitcoin to also crash if the big assets are actually crashing. So in terms of gold right here, we could see it clearly that gold is also at a level of support right now, just like I made it known to us in my video that if Ethereum happens to crash below $3,069, we're most likely going to see it dumping all the way down between 2,998 all the way down to 2,957. And even if we happen to crash below this 2,957, we are most likely going to be finding support around this trend line right here. Until we crash below this trend line, then I can say that something scary is about to happen. But for now, everything is kind of looking okay for Ethereum. Ethereum is still a very good asset for you to accumulate. So when it comes to Solana has actually broken below support. I made it known to us that Solana has not broken this resistance right here from this Fibonacci level, which is $134, and we could see it crash all the way low. And for it to crash below this resistance right here, we could see it break below this this trend line right here, and you could see this trend line was kind of irrelevant after it got rejected from this resistance right here. So we are most likely going to keep on crashing all the way down to $112. So with the look of things, BitTensor also crashing at a level of support of $271.54. So we might end up crashing lower than that, who knows, and maybe dumping all the way down to $241. Asta, on the other hand, will most likely be crashing. Then Asta is really crashing, and we are most likely going to see Asta crashing all the way down to 0.7765. You can probably stay tuned for me to analyze Asta tomorrow. Nothing really much going on right here. Nothing really much going on for XRP Ripple. We could see, I made it known to us in my video today. I think I was more bearish than bullish on my XRP video because XRP was at a very critical level, and we could see that XRP is actually testing this area of support right here at 1.9. If it happens to break below this support, I'm most likely going to see it crash really low. So that is the most scary part for XRP, because any crash below this level will definitely send XRP to $1.61. So that is it for XRP. For ICP, internet computer is probably trying to find support around this level at $3. If it breaks below this support, so I'm most likely going to see it below around $2.97. For Hedera is not looking good. I think I made a video on Hedera today. I'm still bearish on Hedera. I made it known to us that Hedera is most likely going to be crashing all the way down to 0.10477. So you could see Cardano just broke below support right here. In fact, it just broke below a massive trend line right here, which is kind of crazy. So we should be expecting Cardano to drop all the way down to 0.344. So I think this is just basically it for now. Do not get into the market right now. The market is very volatile. So thank you guys for watching. At work, and I just had to take an excuse to come make this video for each and every one of us. Thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.